Hi, I'm Kari Heron, and as you know, I help you to build wealthier relationships with yourself and others by feeding your body, your soul, and your spirit. And so we're going to get right into these affirmations. This was part of a presentation that I made yesterday to a group of women at the Aruba Renaissance. And so I'm just sharing this with you so that you can take this on board. These are great affirmations for women, specifically created for women. And you can also speak them with your children and let them also repeat. So the whole idea of this is, where there's no guidance, people fall. But in an abundance of counselors, there is victory, which simply means that I want to be able to help people to really guide you to your victory. And so, what I'm doing is giving us opportunities to fix our crowns because we're queens. We're queens in all our glory. And what I want to do is to set you up to win big. Because who among us is not feeling victorious, right? We're feeling victorious in some areas, but sometimes we get a little stuck in other areas. So every queen who signs up today to my Impactpreneurs Membership Club, which is a victorious community that we're building, um, and that is for the less than the price of the cost of a Wendy's meal for the month for your family. So this everyone who signs up today gets access to my Beyond the Fence course, which I will be teaching in a live group session online for everyone who signs up today. And you'll get all of these fancy things as well, including recipes and stuff and training. But it really is going to be able to help you to break through those limitations. So we'll get into the daily confessions. Repeat with me. I am worth investing in. My personal growth is important to me, and I will invest my time and resources on things that maximize my full potential. I am astonishingly, honorably, and wonderfully made. I am loved. I am a good woman, and I'm worth far more than precious jewels. I'm absolutely worth loving. I treat myself the way I want others to treat me. I have a future filled with hope. I choose to surround myself with people who are on the same path of victory. I have everything I need to flourish. Fear does not take me captive because perfect love casts out all fear. I have peace that passes all understanding. I forgive myself and all my mistakes and forgive others who have hurt me. I honor the commitments I make to myself. I'm becoming my own best friend. I give myself grace, kindness, patience, gentleness, love, peace, and extend self control. I am blessed to be a blessing. I do not compete with other women, period. I will extend grace to others. I am my sister's keeper. I will treat others with compassion. No matter what I go through, glory will be revealed in my life. I am strong and courageous. All things are working together for my good. Everything pertaining to me will be perfected. I operate from victory. The battle is fixed. I have already won. I am more than a conqueror. I am a victorious woman. So you can join me, find more about the membership club for less than the price of a Wendy's per month, you'll be able to access all the tools that will be helping you to feed your body, feed your soul, and build healthier, wealthy relationships with yourself and others. Victory is an inside job. We have to work on our mindset, work on getting things right, our personal development, creating new income streams, fattening our pockets. We have to be able to make certain that our lives are sustainable, healthy, and whole for us to really have great success, because success, like victory, is an inside job. So thanks for listening. Please subscribe, like, and share with as many people as possible, because guess what? The more we share, the greater love that we have and the greater compassion. So let's help somebody else today. All of us as women are victorious and we celebrate each other. Happy Women's Month, Victorious Women's Month, and happy Mother's Day to those who are celebrating.